Embroidery Studio offers a dedicated Bling toolset which allows you to create, visualize and troubleshoot Bling elements for output to placement or cutting machines. Setting up a Bling palette. First, use the Bling palette editor to prepare a palette of rhinestones for use in the new design. Define as many Bling types as you need. The drop list displays Bling shapes available for use in both runs and fills. Use the controls to set Bling type and size. The code, for example round SS6, specifies a size range as displayed in the dialog. Set the production type. If you have a cutting machine, set allowance and overcut values for rhinestones to fit comfortably within the holes on the stencil. Choose placement if you have an automatic or semi-automatic machine. The palette is now available for use in object properties or from the Bling toolbar. Creating a Bling run. The Bling feature provides tools for creating Bling runs as well as fills. In this case, we're going to create a border with the help of the Simple Offsets tool. Right-click the generated outline and convert to Bling Run. Using the Bling available in the palette, use the pattern controls as you would sequins to create simple or variegated Bling runs. Creating a Bling fill. The Bling Fill feature allows you to fill complex shapes with rhinestones using one of two methods, column fill or contour fill. You could actually convert the vector object to Bling Fill, but here we digitize it manually. Using the multi-line control, you can set different colors for different rows using available Bling. Placing rhinestones manually. Using the Bling Edit tool, you can remove or reposition individual Bling objects within the fill. And using Bling Manual, add individual Bling drops to your design. Holding down the Shift key, use the handle to adjust Bling orientation as you digitize. Press Enter to complete. Checking the overlaps. Click the Highlight Bling Overlaps toggle to check if there are any overlapping Bling objects in the design. The Automatic Overlap Removal function removes unwanted items from overlapping Bling objects. Alternatively, use the Bling Edit tool to deal with those overlaps manually. Outputting Bling. Various options are available to you when outputting Bling designs. In this video, we use the placement option when setting up the palette. This assumes that we are outputting to a CAM's automatic rhinestone placement machine. Alternatively, a dedicated Send to Bling Cutter command sends vectors for any Bling in a multi-decoration design to a supported cutting machine. For details, refer to the documentation. Optionally, print an approval or production worksheet for your Bling design.